Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the color of your rims to any color of your choice, okay? So for this video, guys, I'm going to be working in the garage with my husband, and we'll be changing his rims or mags, whatever you want to call them, from red to a shocking fluorescent green. So we're going to try to make that happen as best as we can. So to get started, we're going to go in and remove our tires first. So I'll show you how he does that. He goes in with his wrench and he pretty much loosens all the nuts. Okay, and then he uses the adjusted part of the wrench, or the removable part, and he uses that to unscrew all the nuts. The car has already been lifted just right under, so we have one support in the front and two in the back. Now, after removing all your tires, you're gonna want to have some hot water and a cloth, okay? This green cloth that you see was a little bit too heavy for us to use, so we got a lighter chamois, and that's what we'll be using to clean the mags off with some soap. So guys, make sure you wash your rims thoroughly. I call them mags and I call them rims, so I'll probably be alternating throughout the video. The first thing you want to do is wash them thoroughly and just try to remove all the surface dirt. Some individuals might go in and remove this extra paint, but we're not going to do that today. We just wanted to try a quick and simple and easier method. After cleaning them, just put them to the side to dry, because we're pretty much just getting this prepped and ready for its primer. We're going to be stacking some plain cards, and we'll just be putting this in between where the rim meets the tire. So we're just going to be tucking that in nicely, and we'll be going all the way around the edge, okay? We're going to be going in to cover this Subaru sign that's in the middle, just to prevent us from getting painted or getting spray paint over it, right? My husband actually found an easier way how to do this. I was doing it so long, God knows it took a while, because I was cutting small pieces and trying to cover it up, and I just wasn't thinking the right way. And then he comes in and boom, he slaps the tape down, and then he just goes around the edge and is like, what? I've been doing this for so long, trying it right here, cutting little pieces, trying to get it even, and then there you go. Anyways, I'm thankful because he made the process so much easier, guys. So let me help you out. Okay, and then he went like boom, just like that, and boom. After covering those, I'm just gonna go in, and you guys will see me stacking in the cars just between the rim, and we'll be doing this to each of the tires. We'll be doing two at a time. So after this two is done, we're gonna use the cards and stack the other two tires. Working on our vehicle is really his department, but I get to spend some quality time with him here, and it's fun, so why not? So after doing that, he also went ahead and covered the tire air valve with a little bit of tape to prevent that from getting messed up or clogged up, or, you know, it just keeps things nice and easier for us. So the easier, the better. To start off, I'm gonna be going in with this primer, and we'll be doing the first coat of the primer until we have all the red covered completely. And this primer is a gray shield. We picked this up from Canadian Tire. I think the price was a little bit less than 10 bucks, so it's quite affordable. So this primer just goes in and cancels out the red, and it makes the green pop a little bit more. It's just a better adhesive for the fluorescent green. Also, during the process, we needed to wear our mask just to protect our nostrils because these fumes look like they can get somebody a little bit high. So we'll be using this fluorescent paint that we picked up from our local hardware, and we're going to be going in with 2 coats of this spray paint. The shade of green, it's so beautiful. It's very shocking and bright. After applying our 2 coats, we let it dry overnight, and the part that I didn't show is we actually went in with a clear coat. You can use a clear coat of your choice or whatever you prefer. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.